Hi guys, welcome to today's video. On today's video, we are going to look at different types of onions and how best to prepare them. In the vast and flavorful world of onions, each variety brings its unique character and charm to the culinary stage. Let's embark on a journey through these alliums and discover their best culinary roles. Yellow onions, often dubbed the workhorse of the kitchen, yellow onions are versatile and robust. Their sharp flavor mellows with cooking, making them perfect for caramelizing. Saute them slowly over low heat with a bit of oil and a pinch of salt until they turn golden and sweet. They're ideal for soups, stews, and a classic French onion soup. Leeks, the gentle giants of the onion family. Leeks have a delicate, sweet flavor. Their mild taste shines in creamy soups and as a base for broths. Clean them thoroughly to remove any grit, slice thinly, and saute in butter. Use them in potato leek soup or as a subtle addition to casseroles and quiches. Pearl onions, these tiny, tender onions are a delight in both appearance and taste. They are often used in stews, braises, and classic dishes like coq au vin. To prepare, blanch them briefly in boiling water, then peel. Saute them whole in butter and sugar until they caramelize, perfect for a savory sweet side dish. Shallots, with their mild, slightly sweet flavor, shallots are the sophisticated cousin in the onion family. They excel in vinaigrettes, sauces, and fine dishes where a more delicate touch is required. Mince them finely and use in dressings, or roast them to enhance their natural sweetness for a subtle addition to roasted meats and vegetables. White onions, known for their sharp, clean taste. White onions are a staple in Mexican and southwestern cuisine. They add a crisp bite to salsas, guacamole, and pickled preparations. Dice them finely to top tacos and salads, or saute them quickly to maintain their crunchy texture. Red onions, vibrant and full of character. Red onions are often enjoyed raw for their crisp texture and mild flavor. They're perfect for salads, sandwiches, and as a garnish. Slice them thinly for a fresh addition to burgers or soak them in vinegar for a quick pickled topping that adds a pop of color and tang. Scallions, also known as green onions. Scallions offer a mild, fresh flavor with a hint of pepperiness. Both the white base and the green tops are edible, making them versatile. Chop them finely and sprinkle over soups, stir fries, and baked potatoes for a burst of freshness, or grill them whole to serve as a smoky side dish. Each type of onion brings its unique flavor profile and texture to the table, enhancing dishes in ways both bold and subtle. Whether caramelizing, sautéing, or enjoying them raw, these alliums are indispensable in the art of cooking.